In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor the impact of Google algorithm updates right from within WordPress. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. Why would you want to monitor Google algorithm updates in the first place? Well, let's say you're a store that sells basketball shoes, and you've done really well with your SEO and wound up on the first page of the Google search results. Let's say this is your store here, Pro Direct Sport. You're not number one, but you're still going to get tremendous amount of traffic from being on the first page of search results for such a big term as basketball shoes. And let's say after a Google algorithm update, suddenly you end up over here on page 4. So we want to track Google algorithm updates because it can have such a huge impact on our ranking in search. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Search Statistics. Search Statistics is an amazing feature in All-in-One SEO that brings in very relevant search statistics right into the WordPress dashboard where you can take action on them. So if we click on the tab up top that says SEO Statistics, I'll show you the part that we're interested in today, and that is this SEO Statistics Graph. And you can see on today's graph, we have 3 Google icons, and these are showing me Google algorithm updates. This first Google algorithm update here, we're not concerned about. If anything, it helps our results. We can see our impressions and clicks going up. This second Google algorithm update may have had a negative impact. Things are starting to go down. The third one may have had a positive impact. So if anything, I would possibly be concerned with this one. You might be wondering, well, what can I do if the algorithm update had a negative impact? I don't control the algorithm. There's not much I can do. That's true. You don't control the algorithm, but you can read more about the algorithm itself and see if there's anything you can do to make your site more compliant with that algorithm update, or give that algorithm update more of what it's looking for. So on any of these Google algorithm updates, when you hover over them, you can click this blue button that says Read More, and it will take you to Google's official documentation on that algorithm update. I also wanted to show you this SEO performance graph on a different website. On this website, you can see that not only do we have the Google updates on the graph, we also have WordPress updates, and then something we're calling AIOSEO revisions. That's anytime you have made a change to the SEO of your website. This graph is incredibly powerful because no longer do you have to wonder what may or may not have caused a change to your position in the search rankings. Now you can look at this graph and pinpoint it pretty clearly. If a couple of days after one of these icons appear, you see a drop or a raise in your results, you can tell that, hey, this time it may have just been a Google algorithm update, or you know what, it was this all-in-one SEO revision change that I made. I think I'm going to go ahead and undo that change. So this tool is really a game changer on keeping you on top of all of the variables that can be affecting your position in search results. So that's how to monitor the impact of Google algorithm updates in WordPress. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to run an SEO analysis of your competitor's website. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.